How to fix error code 41005 on Crunchyroll app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, you need to know that in Crunchyroll, the error code 41005 means it has the issues related to the ad blockers or browser extensions which interferes the Crunchyroll streaming. So in order to fix this issue, all you need to do is, if you have any ad blockers installed on your device, you need to disable those ad blockers. If you are using the Crunchyroll through the browser, and if you have any ad blockers installed in your browser extensions, you need to disable or turn off any ad blocking extensions and refresh the Crunchyroll page. If it still doesn't fix your issue, you can also try to clear the browser cache. On your browser, you can see the three dots icon at the top right. Tap on it. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see site settings option. Tap on it. Scroll down again. Now tap on this data stored option. Now over here, you need to find the Crunchyroll website link. Tap on it. You can clear the data stored particularly for the Crunchyroll website. You can completely reset all these permissions. So tap on delete and reset. And this should be fixing your issues. If you're using the app, you can head over to the app first. Tap and hold on this Crunchyroll app icon. Now tap on this little information icon. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on this storage section. And you can even clear the cache memory of this app. Select this clear cache option at the bottom right. So that's it. You can try out these various methods in order to fix the error code 41005 on Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.